101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as I usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program. Yeah, of course, with Smart FM. Namely, Smart Up Your Life English discussion with English communities. With me, Radias Isarul Sam or RD Sam. And of course, I'm not alone here as I usually. We have a friends from a few communities of Makassar, of course. And yeah, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, I would like to invite our friends from a few communities to introduce themselves, each other one by one. Okay, maybe from you, brother. Could you introduce yourself, please? Could you introduce yourself? What is your name? What is your meeting club or study club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you very much for your opportunity. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Agung Mursaling, and I'm from English Youth Community, or usually people call it as EUC.
Okay.
And in our community, we not only learn about English, but also we teaching English to the other people.
Wow.
And we have some programs in our community. We have a program called free meeting. In this free meeting, we do it once a month.
Okay.
That we open it for public so that the people outside in our community can join with us to study together.
Okay.
And also we have a program called Kampung Binaan. And in this Kampung Binaan, we go to teach the children that don't have any access to school anymore.
Okay. What about the location of EUC itself?
The location of my community.
Yes.
The place in villa, but I don't know what's the villa name, but there is a villa there, but I don't exactly what's the name, but our place or our, what is that?
Okay, but the most important, maybe because if the people want to join with you see how they can join to your community. I mean, like maybe you can mention your Instagram, please. Use Instagram, please. Mention to our smart viewers and listeners at home, please. Now, the Instagram.
About the Instagram, just search it English Youth Community. Yes, that.
Okay.
If you want to
for more detailed information.
For more detailed information about our community, just search in Instagram English Youth Community.
Okay, thank you, Agung. Okay, enjoy. Okay, what about you, brother Ustad? Mashallah. Okay, could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home? What is your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay. So now we say smart viewers, yeah. Not smart listeners.
Viewers and listeners, both them.
Okay.
Because we are visual and audio also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, smart listeners and smart viewers at home.
Yes.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal. I am from Al Khair English and Arabic language community.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bilingual.
Yes, bilingual. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
We have English meeting and Arabic meeting once a week, every Sunday afternoon at our mosque. Actually, Al Khair is the name of our mosque.
Okay. What about the time after? What is it? After
the meeting. After
the time.
Asar prayer. Afternoon prayer.
Okay.
Yeah.
16 p.m.
16
sharp.
p.m. Yeah. 4 p.m. Yeah.
Okay, 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Yeah. So what about how people can join with your community?
Yeah, it's very simple. Just come.
Oh, just come.
Just come. Actually, it is not like learning, no, but it is like
sharing,
preaching.
Yeah, oh, wow.
Because of the maybe the Muslims in Indonesia or in Makassar, they just listen to preaching in Indonesia. In our mosque, we provide preaching in English and Arabic every Sunday afternoon. So
Keep your statement. I will back to you.
Yeah.
What about you? Could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners? Even you are, you're popular here. But it's okay.
Not as popular.
We have
as
a
you.
news listeners and viewers at home, please. What is your name? And what is your meeting club? What about the schedule, please?
I'm Zakia. You can call me Kia. I'm
Hi,
the
Kia.
representative of Halo Kak. Long time no see you.
Yes.
I'm the representative of Hasanuddin English Community. It is an independent organization in Makassar, English organization. It takes place in Hasanuddin University, Iptex building, and we have 2 meetings every week. They are Wednesday and Friday. There are TOEFL learning and discussion. We discuss a lot of issue, and everyone can come.
What about the schedule, please?
Wednesday and Friday.
Afternoon. Twice.
Yes, twice
in
a
a
week.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What about the Instagram? Do you know what is the Instagram? Please.
Just follow at Hasanuddin English Community or Hack.
Okay, thank you,
Thank
Kia.
you.
Okay, what about you? Please introduce yourself. Yes. Introduce yourself. Mention your name, what your community, English community, and what about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you for the chance. My name is Richard Syahaya. I'm the ambassador of Al-Markas. Al-Markas for Enlightening Studies, aka Max. This community focus.
Come on.
This community focus on the focus group discussion, such as improving our English through the discussion section, and most of our topic is related to enlighten the participant.
I see.
As our goals is to enlighten.
What about the schedule?
The schedule is 3 times a week. It starts from Tuesday, Saturday. Okay, but the time is from 4 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. Okay. After you pray Asar. Then before Maghrib.
Thank you, Richard. Enjoy. Anyway, guys, we are back. Of course, so before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to explain before. When we're talking about entertainment industry from all of the world, each country, of course, have a massive way how to create the entertainment industry. When we're talking about industry entertainment, this is a very, very attractive, interesting, and of course, because entertainment industry is art, everybody interesting with art, of course, because art is very beautiful. And that's why our topic for this evening is Talent Search Program. In Bahasa is Ajang Pencarian Bakat. Okay, give a applause for us first. Okay. Are you ready, guys?
Obviously.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Okay, my first question goes to and the winner is goes to Kia. Anyway, what is your reaction when you hear this topic, Talent Search Program?
For the first time you contact me and told me about the topic is, I was like, oh my god, it is probably a difficult thing to discuss because I almost never watching TV or that kind of program. But many years before, I watched several like Indonesian Idol, Indonesia Mencari Bakat, and something like that. And for me, it is a very simple and interesting topic that rarely people to discuss. So like maybe people will think that it is just like a random topics, but when you told me about the topic, I said like, wow,
You know, this is a creative industry.
Yes.
In our ministry, tourism, right?
That's why when I knew the topic is like, wow, it is like an interesting topic, even simple, but it is interesting, and I've read many articles about that, and I remember several television program that related to the topic, and yeah, I think all of us here growing up with many talent search programs, so we really like not similar, like we know some television program, talent show search program. I think
so you feel like a flashback when you was child, maybe, or teenager.
Yes.
Yeah? Are you still teenager?
I am a student.
Okay, thank you, Kia. Okay, next, Richard. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, based on my knowledge, I guess the talent search program is such a kind like an audition.
Yeah.
For all the people who have interest.
Yeah, right.
On any field. Just for example, like in this audience, in this talent search program, there are several activity that I know, such as cattle, speech.
You mean yeah.
The way we speak.
Or public speaking, you mean?
Yeah, and then show our talent. But for me, I have experienced this kind of things before, like attend the ambassador selection.
Sport?
Not the sport.
Younger. How does that say?
Like a talent search program.
Okay.
Yeah, in this event, I did a catwalk, but it's my first time to do a catwalk, and it made me feel
like Abang None,
anxious.
Right? Like Abang None, you mean?
Sorry, what?
Like Abang None, Duta Wisata, tourism ambassador, something like that, right?
Yeah, that's right. And we got observed by everyone, and how did I feel? It's
awkward. You feel awkward, right?
It's a memorable event
because
for
this
me.
is the first time for you, right?
Yeah, but I do believe that by participate on this event, it could help me to reduce my anxiety and improve, obviously, definitely improve my confidence to speak in front of the people, and I think it's a good investment for ourselves to promote our personal branding.
Okay, keep your statement, Richard. Okay. Yeah, we will continue. Okay, what about you, Ustad Iqbal? How do you think about our topic for this evening? Talent search program. What is on your mind?
Yeah, actually, this is the topic that I like.
Really?
Yeah, of course. Okay. Because I enjoy art very much.
Okay.
Especially music. I really enjoy, and I follow X Factor. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's my favorite.
What season?
Maybe the first. Yeah.
Ooh, Fat and Sid Kalubis.
Yeah, and talent program, especially music. It adds the kind of entertainment that we have in our country, because in the past, no things like this. We just entertained by the real singer, but now we have so many talent show.
Talents, many.
So yeah, it is very entertaining, and maybe from Mr. Richard,
yeah,
he has experience in following talent show. Maybe he's a practitioner, and I'm just the enjoyers, maybe.
Oh,
because I really enjoy. I mean, sometimes. For example, like in music, the singer in talent show is more beautiful than the real singer. Yeah, I don't know about you or other people, but I myself sometimes I found, wow, this girl or this boy sings very beautifully, more than the real singer. Just like Fatin, Fatin, the first
the unique voice.
I myself thinking that Bruno Mars has nothing to compare with Fatin Sidki.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Keep your statement. So this is a very interesting topic, right? Yeah. What about you, Agung? How do you think about our topic for this evening? What is on your mind? You hear this topic, what is your opinion?
I think this topic it's very amazing to discuss, and what I think about talent search program, I think this is a place or a platform that people can showcase their skill or their ability, a various form of entertainment such as singing, dancing, sports, or also magic tricks and many more. And about talent search program, I think this often organized not just only on television but also in schools or other place that could possibly we do talent search program. And maybe that's all what I think about talent search program.
So this is amazing.
Yeah.
Is this your first time to get topic like this?
Yes, of course, this is my first time.
Really?
So,
so this is very interesting, unique, and amazing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I move to my second question. Yeah, you static well. Yeah, okay. What kind of talent search program X Factor you know or you like to watch in a few years ago in long time ago, something like that, or maybe even right now? Okay, what kind talent search program you like it?
Yeah, music, especially. But now I also watch stand-up comedy.
Stand-up comedy.
Stand-up comedy Indonesia and stand-up comedy Academy.
Oh yeah,
because there's two.
Yeah.
Sucha and Suci.
Yes. Sucha and Suci. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I don't know about X Factor. Is it still? Yeah.
Still. Yeah. Right now, 2024 will be.
Yeah.
New season.
Yeah, because. Nowadays, I don't follow much anymore. Just in the past, maybe because.
Who is your favorite person in this program, like stand-up comedy, Suchi and Sucha, and X Factor?
So many actually.
Who are they?
For singer, I have many, but I only remember a few. I like Fatin Sidki, of course.
What about the first runner-up, Novita?
Novita Dewi, I like also.
Okay.
His voice is very high too.
Yeah, Ustadz juga manusia.
Well, yeah.
Novita.
It's the perception of the people that the religious.
They are very skillful, you know.
No need entertainment. We need entertainment too.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
And it is okay as long as it is proper. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
What about the Susa and Suchi? Which one your favorite?
So
and what season? And what season?
Actually, I stop. Not stop, but I rarely watch music talent show anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, but Suchi I like now.
Okay. Because you are listening music, what about the dangdut genre and especially like Dangdut Academy or KDI contest Dangdut Indonesia?
Although I like Roma Irama very much.
Okay.
But I don't like Dangdut in the Academy. No,
really?
I mean. Because the song I don't know.
Okay.
The song is not the song of Bang Haji.
Okay.
Yeah. Not on my age. Yeah. But I really enjoy now stand-up comedy because it is trending now. Stand-up comedy, because in stand-up comedy you can attack other people.
So definitely you know Arif Brata.
I know from Makassar.
Yeah. From Palangga.
Oh, your
no. I don't know. Only how to say neighbors.
But
neighbor of Kecamatan.
But sorry to say, Arif Brata is not that funny.
Okay. No matter. Okay. So you like it, right? You are very enjoyable about the talent search program, and you have a few of a favorite of them, right? Okay, thank you, Ustadz Iqbal. What about you? What kind of talent search program you like it? And who are they?
Based on what I've watched about talent search program, I think my favorite one is American Got Talent.
Ooh,
because
Putri Ariani, Golden Buzzer, right?
Yeah. I've watched that also, but my favorite performance in the talent search program is Magic Tricks.
Magic Trick.
Yeah.
Like, has it Rihanna, the sacred Rihanna?
Yeah. Maybe about like creative things.
David Copperfield.
David also.
Which who?
And also Damien.
Oh, Damien.
Yeah.
Damien, yeah.
Damien.
Okay, you are very Hollywood funk. Damien, yeah. Damien. I like it. What else?
And besides Magic Tricks, I also like
Pak Tarno. What about Pak Tarno?
Pak Tarno. Yeah, I ever heard about Pak Tarno, and I ever watched also a few videos about Pak Tarno, and it's really incredible also about Pak Tarno.
What about the cooking talent shows like MasterChef Indonesia?
Yeah, maybe I just like the food,
but not the program.
Yeah, but I don't understand how can they cooking like food like that. But I just enjoy watch they cooking something that makes me feel hungry.
Okay, thank you, Agung. Yeah,
Yes.
okay, I will back to you. What about you? Nana, you. Yeah, the pink one. What about you? What kind of talent search program you like, and who are they? The person you like?
I actually cannot say that I really like the talent show program. I mean, because I'm just watching it randomly. I'm not focusing on watching specific talent search program. But
if you back to review,
I several watch like Indonesian Idol, and I ever watch
the
Afi.
singer? Afi, wow.
Afi one and Afi two, yes.
Wow.
When I was a little kid,
Academy Fantasy Indonesia.
yes,
right?
I
Stone Age, so
Kia.
yeah, I watched it when I was like
So
elementary school, I guess.
A fairy,
Yes,
Mawar,
yes.
Smile.
I mean in the elementary student, I guess, but yeah, because I spent much time in front of television at that time. But
Please show the dance.
No, thank you.
Academy Fantasy Indonesia.
But nowadays, I more like watching like American Got Talent or British Got Talent, because they are not only showing the talent like singing, dancing, but there are various talents.
Simon Cowell.
Yes, it is quite difficult to forget the names. Yeah, so it's not only about the talent. Actually, that I like to watch is because like the story behind they attending the competition, or the message that they want to share to the people. Like you mentioned before about Putri, the blind singer.
Ariani, yes.
He came to the talent search competition to campaign his voice, her voice as a blind person, that she wanted to be heard, to be listened by people in the world. So I just like the story like that. Not only about the singing, the dancing. For me, the talent of singing and dancing is like everyone can do that. Not everyone, many people can do that, but it needs something unique for individual to be, how to say, like brighter than another competitor.
Oh yeah, this is a nice explanation. But well, guys, smart viewers and listeners at home, we will be right back after this. Stay tuned. 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, we are back. Give a applause for us. Okay, we continue our conversation about our topic for this evening. Yeah, the topic is talent search program, and we move to the Mr. Richard for the second question. What kind of talent search program you like it, and who are they? The person you like in each talent search program.
Okay, back to the 11 years before.
Oh wow!
I still remember that.
Oh my god!
I guess most of people know that One Direction.
Oh, yeah. One Direction. British Idol or British Got Talent?
British boy band, I guess.
No, I mean like the talent show. I mean, what kind of
the X Factor?
X Factor.
Yeah.
Ooh, what
the one
season?
that I still remember until now, because this audition, like talent search program, it could brighten someone's future, right?
Okay, yeah.
Like they become famous and they have a lot of job.
Right.
I mean, job offering. Like in the past, several participants in X Factor, who are the member of One Direction right now, they got kicked. No, they don't get kicked, but they fail, and they don't get into the next selection.
Do you memorize who are they one by one, the composition of the members?
Should I mention them?
Do you know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you may. Yeah. Who are they?
Harry Styles, Niall Horan, Liam Payne.
Okay.
Wait, who's the one?
Zayn Malik.
Luis Toyo. Yeah, everyone know them.
Great job. You did a great job.
Yeah. They are. I mean, they got together by the X Factor to make a one band.
What season? You know what the season? The season of the competition of the X Factor, British of X Factor.
I guess it's around
First,
2010 or 2011, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And while they have a band, they perform. I mean, they perform on this X Factor, and I guess they become the first winner of this. They become the winner of this X Factor, which made them became famous. And as I mentioned before, they got a lot of job offering.
Yeah, tour to the world, right? To world tour, right?
Yeah. But sadly, now
which one is that?
Nowadays, their band has separated. Every member, each member of the group has become a single singer.
Okay, solo
singer.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Okay, this is a very interesting when we talk about talent search program. I can keep your statement, Richard. I move to this third question about our topic for this evening. I move to Agung. You have you ever know the people who pass the audition or talent search program in your life? Maybe your neighbor, your family, or your friend. Do you have a people you know who are they in your life? I mean, you know the people who pass in the audition or the talent program in your life.
I think I know one person because she's my part of my family.
Oh wow, who?
Yeah, maybe some of you guys know too. Her name is Selfie.
Selfie Sopeng.
Yeah, Selfie Sopeng.
She is your family?
Yeah.
You have relate.
Yes, of course.
Oh wow, Selfie Lida.
Yeah,
Liga Dangdut.
Yeah, she's the first winner.
First winners in the first season, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Sopeng. So you are from Sopeng?
Yes, I'm from Sopeng.
Okay. Could you mention what is the relate? I mean, like maybe sepupu 1 kali, 2 kali, 3 kali.
I don't know exactly, but
you don't know exactly.
Because yes, my mother ever told me that she's your cousin, and because my mother also always go to her house when she's not famous yet.
Okay.
my mother always help her, and she always help them, and she always help her to get her dreams. Also,
wow! Oh wow!
And what her
cool.
become right now.
Possible. I believe that you can also singing. Could you show your talent in singing, please, right now?
I don't know talent to sing. I have a bad voice.
Okay, so how do you think about her today? How do you think about her today?
I think she's very amazing, and even she is already famous. She's not
ignore.
Yeah, like
she's not ignoring.
She's she's not arrogant person.
Yeah.
She still care about her families, also her far families.
Is she know you?
Yeah.
Is she know you?
I don't know, but
we are waiting. We are waiting. You're answering.
But she's know my sister. Because
the question is,
but
is she know you?
I don't know.
Only two, yes or no? Come on.
I don't know because I ever met her just 2 times.
Oh, twice.
Yeah, but my sister always met her.
Okay, no matter. Okay, after this, you have to meet her. Okay, and get a sign. Minta tanda tangan. Okay, thank you, Agung. Yeah. What about you, Richard? Do you know the people who pass in audition or talent shows program in your life?
Around my life?
Yes.
Okay, let me
think.
Can I pass first? Because let me.
Oh my God! Is there any excuse about this question? Okay, come on. Okay, no matter. What about you? Do you have people you know as long your journey in your life?
Exactly, no, Kak.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Because first, I don't have friends. Two, I'm not really close with people around.
Oh, really?
So I choose the people who I want to be friend with.
Are you seriously not at all? Even one people you don't know? Maybe like your how to say tetangga kelurahan? Maybe how to say?
No, I don't even know my neighbor next to my house.
Where is your come from? Where is your come from?
I'm from Palopo.
Masamba, no?
No.
Because
you want to ask me about? I know her that she is from Masamba and after winning the competition, she become famous, totally famous in not only in Masamba but also in Palopo, even in Makassar itself. But I don't know her exactly. I know her as an artist, as a singer.
Does she know you?
Of course not, and it is not important for me. Why is this important for me?
Okay, thank you. Clear. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you, Ustad Iqbal?
Okay.
As long your journey in life, do you know someone who passed the audition or talent shows program in your life? Maybe Nasyid, like Nasyid or Ustad Akademi Saud. Akademi Saud Indonesia, let's say Hafiz Indonesia and etc.
Yeah, I have maybe like a friend, yeah. There is one friend.
What category? Nasyid?
Nasyid, yeah.
Oh, really?
But I don't remember the name. Yeah. And also one of the people, one of the people from my neighborhood.
Okay.
He followed how to say, like preaching competition.
Oh, wow.
Islamic preaching competition.
Wow.
But I don't remember the name because I'm not so close.
But
their life changed.
You have interaction before? Interaction?
Of
like
course.
Social interaction with him?
My friend, the Nasyid team.
Okay.
Actually, he was my friend in university, in college.
Oh, okay.
It's okay to mention.
Yeah. No matter.
The name is Muhbadi. Yeah.
Muhbadi.
Yeah. Maybe he's watching. I don't know.
What about the name of the program?
I don't know, but the name of the Nasyid group, if I'm not mistaken,
from Makassar, right?
Yeah, from
all
Makassar.
All of the members, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Shauki, I don't remember. It's a long time ago.
How do you think about him right now? Are you still got the information about him?
Yeah, both of the two that I know, they now are very busy, of course. Because when you are more famous, you got more events to fulfill. Maybe just like you, sir.
Oh my God! Why?
The more famous you are, the more busy you are.
Oh my God!
That's maybe the wise words.
Okay.
More famous.
Okay, I see. Thank you, Static.
And the more money, of course.
Mashallah. Okay, what about you? You good?
Yeah, now I remember.
Don't you remember? Now you remember. Okay, mention please. Is she or is he?
She. Yeah.
Okay, what kind of?
She was my friend on high school. She attended an audition of Koko Cici.
Oh, Koko Cici.
Yeah.
Yeah, Koko Cici.
The year is 2019 or 2020, and she passed the audition and became the Cici
Makassar and Cici Indonesia.
I don't know, but the audition occurs in Pinisi Point.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Who is she? I mean, she's name.
Oh, should I mention her?
Yeah, it's okay.
Probably, I guess you know her.
Who?
Vanessa,
not Vanessa Angel.
No.
Vanessa.
Yeah, you almost forget.
It sounds like
it sounds like you know her.
Yeah, but I'm not sure about it.
And she got job offer in movie.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but I don't know the movie until I'm sorry, but I actually forget the name of the movie.
Maybe the movie is New Blorang, maybe, or New Rokilu. You know what I mean?
Oh, come on. I mean, how cool someone will become Cici, become a ghost.
It's okay, the magic of makeup now. Magic of makeup. If you have like the how to say.
So you mean the Chinese Satan?
No. The magic. If I say the magic, vampire. If your eye like this, but your eye will be like this. The magic of makeup. If your chin like this, but your chin look like this, and you like this. Also.
Oh, if you have if you have a proper tooth, but the magic can.
Everything is possible with makeup, Richard.
Yeah, because I haven't tried any makeup.
Oh really?
So I'm sorry that I don't know.
Silver, maybe you mean? No, kidding.
Okay, that's the one I still remember.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, guys. My next question. What actually the beneficial when someone pass this kind of phenomena that we call talent search program? What is the beneficial? What is the beneficial for him, for her, for them, if someone or some people pass this phenomenon in audition and talent search program? What is the beneficial?
Actually, being participated in talent search program is a huge opportunities for every individual, not only from the big city like Jakarta or Makassar, but also for people in various regions or even in remote area to be recognized by many people in the world. Not only passing the competition, they will get a lot of benefits. Even when they fail the competition, it is also a chance for them to learn what they need to improve or to recognize their weakness, the power. So it can be a very good experience for them. And we already seen many singers nowadays came from talent search competition like Judika, who is Tiara Andini and many others. They
Leodra.
Yes,
Ziva.
Their chance to show their ability wider is open after winning the competition. And of course, as Ustad said before, that the job, the singing job will come continuously. So they will have a very crowded schedule from one region to another region. They will always sing. They have a chance to write their own song by their own self. Then they will have a chance to have a single album and many promotion. A lot, not only singing, but they also have opportunity to do acting, to do PMC and etc. It's widely open by winning the competition.
Okay, thank you. Okay, good explanation, Richard. Yeah, what is the beneficial if someone or some people pass this phenomenon like talent search or audition?
Okay, first of all, firstly they will become famous. It's because they, even though they don't win the competition, they could become famous, which made them get a lot of job offering that I mentioned before. And as our sister mentioned, like if you came from the remote area or the rural area, but if you have participated on this competition, you will get any attention from the society, especially the media, or the entertainment section. And it could help you, like the cost, like the money will come to you.
Yeah. This is a realistic.
Yeah,
so you will more rich, right?
Sorry, what?
More rich, right?
Not just more rich, but I think most of, based on the experiences I saw on the social media or the TV or the media, they just became suddenly famous for a moment. Not just a long time, because
just a moment, right?
It's because it's really quite hard to to keep your legacy. Do you know what I mean? Legacy.
Legacy. I know.
Because if you just become famous for a moment, but you don't you don't continue your legacy, or you don't make any legacy, or consistently make perform on the media, or make a song,
the career.
You
you
don't continue your career. You just enjoy. I'm sorry, I just want to mention, like, in the past, do you still remember like Chaya?
Oh yeah. Norman Kamaru.
Sadly for him, because
he always mentions sadly. Okay, come on.
Because he thought that the media could be beneficial for him, but it's just for a moment, right? And he quit his job because of this viral moment.
Okay, thank you. Keep your statement, Richard. Okay, what about you, Agong? Do you get the point? What is the beneficial if someone or some people's pass this phenomenon like audition, like talent search, something like that?
So I think I will just have same opinion about Brother Richard. He said that a person that pass a talent search program, or if they become a winner of the talent search program, they will become famous. And that lead them to get a career opportunity, and also fan bases, and
like BTS fan bases. you okay, I know
that.
you now.
Or people usually calling like the army. Like that.
Army.
No, I'm not.
What about Sabian?
Sabian. Oh, this is Sabian fan bases. There are many more. There are many more fan bases and outside. And
you know Musa, the Hafiz Quran.
Yes.
Hafiz Indonesia?
Yes, because I always watch when I was a child.
Oh, are you still a child?
No, I mean
you was.
Was
right.
Was.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. What about you, Ustad Iqbal? How do you think? What is the beneficial if someone or some people pass this phenomenon like audition or talent search program?
Yeah, as we know all that they will become more busy, more important maybe, and of course more money will come. Yeah.
Oh, you are very realistic.
Yeah, and maybe more impact to the society because they are, as Mr. Richard said, they already get attention from the media, and maybe like Suci, they can fulfill the program in the television. Yeah, so many benefits actually.
Okay, so how do you think why the religion program is totally different with another talent search program? I mean, like religion only on media just show their self when Ramadan month, but another's is they have a chance to show their self in a long day, in a long month, in a long years. How do you think about it?
Yeah, I don't know because maybe it's what we say sunnatullah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's like when you go to the mosque. Why so just a few people in the mosque? Because while the surrounding so many people. So I mean the religion now is not it's not selling actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the time is not on the prime time. It's not like the entertainment. So yeah, sometimes how to say the producer need to make religion talent show more entertaining than to compete with the art.
It's almost because we will enter to the Ramadan month.
Oh yeah. That's good question.
Okay, after this, guys, don't forget to to create, to make positive words or maybe some words like relate new vocabularies about our topic, idioms, conclusion, final words or wise words. But before we are going to talking about it, because we are get closer with our program. Okay, conclude, please. You conclude. What is your conclusion? Make it short, please. Conclusion.
I think my conclusion about this topic today. I hope I can also find my hidden talents.
Ooh, wow.
Because from what I hear about you guys, tell us about what is talents or what is talent search program. So
okay.
I hope also with myself I can find my hidden talents.
We will waiting for that.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What about you? What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Yeah, maybe the contradiction with his statement.
Okay.
Because he's young and I'm old. So maybe
don't mention like that. Come on, you're still young. We are.
Maybe I want to find more hidden talent to see, to watch, to enjoy. Yeah.
Which one is better, hidden talent or hidden treasure?
Money is better. Money is more important than art. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Hidden treasure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
What about you? No. You guys. You. Okay. What about your conclusion for our topic for this evening?
I think it's a very good topic to discuss together, but every single thing has two sides, the negative and positive sides. So when we create a talent search program, we must bring more positive things from it rather than the negative one. I mean, make a real talents, focusing on the real talents, not selling the sad story and
like drama.
Such a bullshit thing like that. Like
okay, let's say drama.
And I really hope that one day the the talent search program in our country can be a more collaborative project, which is all the participants after finishing the competition, they can include in some projects that can increase their ability. Thank you.
It sounds like a how to say, thesis, script, you know. Kidding. Collaborative project. Okay, come on. Okay, what about your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Okay, for me.
Okay, make it short, please.
Okay, for me, about talent search program. For you guys who watch this program, I hope you guys don't be sad or don't be insecure about yourself. Our human are born with the potential talent. So if you have potential talent, don't afraid to improve or to train your talent or mastering your talent. It could be beneficial for you in the future or your career. I think that's all.
Oh, wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for coming. Give a applause for us. Okay. Thank you, guys, for coming here. Thank you, Agung. Thank you, Ustad Iqbal. Thank you, Kia. Thank you, Richards. Yeah, for all of communities, the view community of Makassar. That's all our conversation about our weekly program in this radio Smartfm 101.1. Yeah, and don't forget to watch our program always at 7 p.m. on Tuesday in Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. And we want to say goodbye and see you next week. Bye.